Looking for the best multimeters to tackle your electrical projects with confidence? In this video, we break down the top models for DIYers, electricians, and anyone who needs accurate voltage, current, and resistance measurements. Whether you're troubleshooting at home or working professionally, these multimeters deliver precision, safety, and value. Check out the links in the description box below for full product details and the best deals. Let's get started. Number 1 is the Fluke 115 True RMS Multimeter, a dependable choice for automotive diagnostics. Its true RMS capability ensures accurate readings on modern vehicles with non-linear electrical loads. The compact, ergonomic build makes it comfortable to use in tight engine bays, while the bright backlit display helps you read measurements clearly in dim areas. With a Cat 3 600-volt safety rating, it offers solid protection for everyday electrical work. From voltage and current checks to continuity and resistance testing, the Fluke 115 performs consistently and reliably. Many users praise its rugged construction and long-term accuracy, making it a trusted tool for both pros and dedicated DIY mechanics. Number 2 is the Fluke 88 volts DELUXE Automotive Multimeter, widely considered the benchmark for serious automotive diagnostics. Built with vehicle-specific features, it handles advanced measurements like RPM, duty cycle, pulse width, and fast timing signals with impressive precision. Its ability to work with a temperature probe makes it especially useful for in-depth engine analysis. Safety is top-tier, thanks to Cat 3 1000 volts and Cat 4 600 volts ratings, allowing confident use in demanding shop or industrial environments. The included rugged holster and durable construction help it stand up to constant, heavy use. Although it sits at the higher end of the price range, professionals appreciate its exceptional accuracy, reliability, and comprehensive functionality, making it a smart investment for anyone who needs a multimeter built for true automotive mastery. Number 3 is the INNOVA 3320 Auto-Ranging Digital Multimeter, an excellent pick for beginners or anyone watching their budget. Its auto-ranging feature takes the guesswork out of selecting measurement ranges, making it easier for new users to get accurate ratings. While it doesn't offer the advanced functions found in high-end automotive meters, it handles essential tasks: voltage, resistance, continuity, and basic battery testing consistently well. The color-coded indicators enhance readability, and the rubberized corner guards provide a bit of extra protection against everyday drops. With UL certification, it meets key safety standards, adding confidence for casual users. Overall, the 3320 is a straightforward, reliable tool ideal for car owners who need a dependable meter for light, occasional troubleshooting. Number 4 is the ASTROAI TRMS 6000 digital multimeter, which offers an impressive feature set at a budget-friendly price. Its true RMS performance ensures accurate readings on today's electronically complex vehicles, making it a reliable choice for enthusiasts who want more precision than entry-level meters provide. The backlit LCD, overload protection, and built-in magnetic backing make it practical for hands-free use under the hood. Additional features like auto shutoff, data hold, and temperature measurement add versatility, allowing it to pull double duty for both automotive and basic home electrical tasks. Users often highlight its solid build quality and well-rounded functionality, making the ASTROAI TRMS 6000 a smart mid-range pick for DIYers who want modern conveniences without a steep price tag. Number 5 is the KLEIN Toolz M400 Digital Multimeter, which offers an excellent blend of durability and essential functionality at a reasonable price. It supports manual ranging and handles up to 600 volts AC or DC and 10 amps, along with resistance, continuity, frequency, and temperature measurements. Designed for tough environments, its rugged casing can survive drops of about 3.3 feet, making it a reliable companion in busy garages or workshop settings. KLEIN Toolz' long-standing reputation in electrical equipment adds extra confidence in its performance. While it doesn't boast advanced features found in premium meters, it delivers all the key functions needed for routine automotive diagnostics. Both DIYers and mechanics value its simple controls, consistent accuracy, and sturdy construction. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best multimeters. If this video helped you choose the right tool, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gear reviews. Have questions or a multimeter you recommend? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And remember, all products mentioned are linked in the description for easy access. See you in the next one!